Welcome to my workshop. In this tutorial, I will show you a basic way to make felt flowers. For more styles and the nice centers for these ones, check out my next tutorial. Felt can be soft, like this one. It falls nicely and easily. Or it can be hard. See, here we've got creases instead of folds. Both are good, but for my flowers, I prefer the soft one. For the first flower, let's cut out a circle. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. The size of your flower will depend on how big your circle is. Starting at any place you want, cut the circle into a long stripe. Start narrow and then gradually make it wider, and leave a small circle like this at the end. Now, starting from this edge, fold the strip into a flower. Might be a little inconvenient at first, but it gets better. Fix the bud with a drop of glue from time to time. At the very end, close the bottom with the circle you've left. Like that. Very simple, right? This was the most basic way. And now let's have some fun. Cut out a wavy circle. We'll make a flower with more prominent petals. And keep going wavy right to the very center. You should get this. And now roll it just the same as we did before. This one looks very sweet. And here's some more fun. Let's make some sharp petals. Here, cut off the sharp points at the bottom edge to make it easier to roll. Like that. And roll as usual. Also great one. Feel free to mix different styles. And you can also close the bottom with a simple circle. Now you know how to make 4 kinds of felt flowers. For more styles and the nice centers for these ones, check out my next tutorial.